Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about problem number 76. What is problem statement? Problem statement is that write a Python program which display numbers that are divisible by 3 from a list. First of all, you have to create a list. After creating a list, you have to insert some number and you have display only that number that are divisible by 3. So this is a problem statement that we have to solve in the Python. So what is algorithm? Algorithm is, as first step, you have to create a list, empty list. Then you have to store number of items in that list. You can insert number in the list hard coded, or you can get dynamically from the user. It depends upon you. And then step 3, display items of list that are divisible by 3. So you have to display that number that divisible by 3. So this is the end of algorithm. How you can solve this problem? We go to Notepad++. In the Notepad, first of all, I want to save this file. Problem 76. Problem is 76. First of all, create list and then this store number and display only number that divisible by 3. So this is a problem statement. So first of all, I have to create a list, num list, and then I have to store number. For example, these are different number I store in a list, and then what I have to do, I have to display items, those number that are divisible by 3. So you can see that, for example, 3, 6, 12, 15. So these type of number I have to display. For that reason, what I have to do, I have to use a for loop. For I in, I will iterate a list item. If I is the list item, it will iterate all the number. I is a variable. At first it store 2 and then it store 3. It will take 4. So every items or element will be taken by I variable one by one. So if I is modulus 3 is equal to 0, it means that number is divisible by 3. So that number I have display only. So I open the command prompt, Python problem 76.py. You can see that only these number are displaying that divisible by 3. When you enter a 9, it will display, and for example, more number I can mention here. So only that number will be displayed that divisible by 3. You can see that. So this is a hard coded. You can also get number from the user. For that reason, I have to create a empty list. Empty list, and in the empty list, I have to use a for I in range. I want to get only 10 number from the user that will store in the a list. So empty list should be declared at top, and here I will write a I will append list dot append, and many times I use this type of code in the previous problem statements. Input enter list item. I have to convert this string into integer. If you are watching my videos from starting, you will be clear each and everything what I'm doing here. So it will get all the number 10 number from the user and store in the list, and then I am displaying that only that number should be displayed on the screen that is divisible by 3. So execute this file, enter list item, for example 5, 3, 4, and 10, 9, 12, 64. You can see that only that number are displaying that divisible by 3. So two method I discussed with you. This is a problem statement solution to displaying only that number that are divisible by 3 from the list. This is the assignment you have to complete. You have to write a Python program which display number that are divisible by 3 and 5. So this functionality you have to include. And if you face any problem and issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.